I was looking for a party speaker on a tight budget. This is what I found. Zoook Mini Blaster. Yeah. Plastic, I like it. Very improved mesh grill, very tactile and budget friendly. Buttons, I/O, look at the I/O. SD card, aux input, mic input, on-off switch, and has LED indicators, LED lights. To be honest with you guys, I have a lot of expectation from this guy, but first, let's set the mood.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. I got money on, bling and she ice.
So I bought this Zoook Mini Blaster with some expectations that it might sound good, at least for the price. The price is 1300 rupees, so I bought it for 1300 rupees and you can get it for 1200 rupees. I think there is lightning deal going on. So for the price, this is pure garbage in terms of sound quality. The bass is very poor, mids and highs don't even consider it. For me, this is pure garbage. I gifted this to my maid. She brought it back the other day, threw it on my face and said, double my salary, bitch. So I have no other option to put this in the dustbin now, and that's where it is going.
Nowadays, nothing really excites me. Only one of me and nobody's like me. Phone ringing and I tell him it's ice. No, G's, no, please, no photos. Hit the door and the doorman just whole team here might need some. Still young, but I move like a new deal to my lawyer. If you're down in my management.